Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Frank and welcome to my channel Black Angel202. And this video today I'm going to show you how you can convert your Facebook page from classic to new page experience. It's very easy and simple. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and watch the end. I'm saying, and guys, click on the bell icon so you get notification whenever I drop a new video. Don't forget that in this channel I drop funny videos, teachings and all that. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel, keep in touch and don't miss any video. Love you guys.
Make sense, not the ganga.